Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have, I believe, my Ipsy Plus. It's in a bigger bag than usual because it's also got a couple Christmas gifts in here, which unfortunately I can't show because it's not Christmas yet when I'm taping it and I'm not sure when this is going to go up. But I will snatch this out and we will go over what came in my bag. Let's get into it. Ipsy bag is now a $28 bag. It will have 5 products in it with a value, they say, of, I think at least, I'm not sure the verbiage, at least or up to $120 worth. I think I always have more than $120 worth of value. They will be 5 full-size products and you will have 3 choices with it. This box was so big, like I said, because I had a couple of add-ons that I did. Oh yeah. For Christmas presents. I'm very pleased with them. I wish I could show them to you guys, but when I saw them in add-ons, I knew I had to pick them up. This is this month's bag. It's the December bag. It's kind of beige with pretty gold foiled stars on it and gold foiled tie-ups. These are so cute. I love these bags. I use them. I gift them. This would actually, right here at Christmas time, this would be perfect for chucking a gift into. I wonder if I have anything left to be wrapped. We no longer have information, so I will let you know below pricing on these products. I must have done add-ons. I was taking everything out of the bag. Definitely more than 5 things here. The bag looking so lovely. Their first choice for me was the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Can't use it. Sensitive skin, can't even begin to use this. Actually, in all fairness, I don't have a lot of luck with the Kate Somerville products with my sensitive skin. Let me know below if you have sensitive skin. Can you use any of her products? It has the cute little winky up top. It is a 1.7 fluid ounce. It's got great value, I am sure. I will put this aside to pass along, but it says lactic acid and hyaluronic acid improve pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for dewy, refreshed looking skin. And their other choice for me was the Super Hyaluronic 100 Amino Acid Cleanser. And that is what that looks like. Again, everything in here is full-sized. It's from Shermetic, and it says it's Amino Acid 100 Hyaluronic. Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Cleanser featuring natural amino acid formula gently removes away all impurities while maintaining skin's balance as a hypoallergenic cleanser. Let's go ahead and see what this smells like. If you have used this before and you have sensitive skin or not, either way, if you have used this, let me know what you think. What's thick? What's happening here? It is very, can you guys tell how thick that is? It's really, really thick, almost like a cream. I did not expect it to be a cream. Yeah, it becomes kind of wet, but just a kind of cleansery smell. Nothing floral, nothing, it's just kind of like cleanser. I wonder if you use it on wet or dry skin. How to use. Apply an appropriate amount onto your hand and add a little bit of water to make a lather. Massage foam onto your entire face in a circular motion. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Good we read that. I would have ended up in the shower without my glasses and none of that information. Now we know. Okay, now we're getting into the land of items that I chose. And first out we have Elemis. It is the Peptide 4 Eye Recovering Cream. As a rule, from Elemis, I really like the Pro Collagen line, but this was in my choices. I read the ingredients and I believe, I don't think I would have chosen it if I couldn't use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume I can use this. Let's look at this. It says it's advanced skincare. That's right, I don't need any basic skincare. I need advanced skincare. That is what that looks like. It's very pretty. It will look very pretty sitting on my vanity. And the box says, the skin synchronizing eye cream transforms the appearance of tired and overworked eyes. My eyes work all the time. Elemis Peptide 4 and Star Arvensis oil help deliver younger looking eyes around the clock. Dark shadows and puffiness appear reduced. Apply to your eye contour area. All right, I will, if you insist. Just put out a little dot, just like you would if you were doing your eyes. What I do is I usually do exactly what I just did because I do it fresh out of the shower so the back of my hand is clean, and then I take it and I tap, 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 and then I do under my eyes. But back to my hand. It just has a very light eye cream scent. Sometimes this Peptide 4 line can almost smell, I want to say floral. It has a stronger scent to it. This does not, and I will tell you, what I put on my ring fingers when it has absorbed. Wow, it is all absorbed. I like that. I actually like it when it absorbs quickly because I tend to be dry, even under my eyes, so I like adding the moisture. The next thing I chose, because I will try everything Complex Culture, was nail lacquer. And I have said, I have not been doing my nails because of all the gift wrapping. They are a nightmare. These colors are pretty. They're a little more subtle than I thought they were going to be. But we have almost like a hunter green, maybe olive green, and a cross between, well, what do they call them? I was going to say a cross between a mint and an olive. The lighter one they call Thrive, and the darker one they call Dream. It says, polish and go, a pro-looking mani in a flash that will take you through the week. I love it when they last a week. Our patented 10 free from moisturizing AHA infused formula will give your nails some TLC while keeping you polished for what's next. Flash dry polish, longer wear, moisturizing AHA complex, and 10 free, vegan and cruelty free. So I'm very happy about that. And my last choice was the Jekka Black Concealer. I have tried the Jekka Black in the past. She did a light highlighter, I forget what it was exactly called, that every time I would put my foundation, I would add a little bit of that to it just to kind of give me a glow from within look. I use that to gone. This is the vegan-friendly, cruelty-free liquid concealer in 1.0 because they must not have had a 0.0, and it is 0.33 ounces. That is what that looks like. It's hard to see. It's beige on beige. Liquid concealer offers full cover for blemishes, redness, scarring, and beard shadow. I hope we haven't gotten to that yet. One swipe of creamy liquid concealer creates a flawless, soft matte finish that lasts all day. So do you use, it never mentions your eyes. So are some concealers just not for your eyes? Is that, oh, it's very liquid. It was coming out of the top when I opened it. So is this not meant to be used under my eyes? It's a very good color for me. Maybe it's too liquid for that and it's made more for face. Oh, it got thick quick. Can you guys tell just by looking at it how quickly it like dried down and got thick? Oh my goodness. Wow. You have to work quickly with this. This dries down really, really quickly. The color is on point for me. I have it almost all over the back of my hand. No scent. I mean, I'm going to try it under my eyes. I don't generally need them on my face. I do have one little spot over here. I think it might be an age spot. Very disappointing. Okay, so I picked that. Then I did a couple of add-ons. First, I added a Viseart palette. To be frank, I'm not sure if this is one of the ones I have downstairs. I was not home when I was doing my choice, so I could not check. And for the price, I thought, you know what? I love these Viseart palettes. If it is a duplicate, my daughter will love it. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Yeah, if I don't have this, I for sure want it because this is the palette where I live. I love that. I love that it has a good base color. It has a good transition color, so I have a base and a transition and then a pop because that's what I do almost every day. I have an all over base color on. Then I have up above, because I have such a hooded lid, I carry a transition color up from that to, they say it helps, I don't know. Then I do a darker color out on the edge and up. And then I do always a light shimmer. So I will probably lean toward this on the edge a lot. And then there's even a light shimmer in here. So this is a fantastic eye look for me. I'm not going to swatch it in case I get downstairs and have it. I wish that they named their palettes easier things to remember, but this is the Petite Pro Trois, T-R-O-I-S. That's 3 in French, right? Or is it 2? Un, deux, trois. 3 in French, in theory. I don't think I have 3. I'll have to check. Came up with almost no lip on today, just knowing in one of the boxes that I just unboxed, which I'm finishing right now as we speak with this last add-on, that I would have a nice dark lippy. Not one. None of my boxes today had lippies. Normally we are inundated with lippies. In all fairness, I really liked the one that I used. It's almost gone now. It's kind of natural, but it was a Tower 28. I have a haul that I've already taped that I'm going to put up soon, but I got a Sephora Favorites clean makeup in it, and it had a Tower 28 balm gloss in it. I love it. Okay, this is a Seraphine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Scrub. Came in a really nice tube, and that is what it looks like. I love lemon. I love the scent of it. I like lemons. And so since it was a sugar and lemon moisturizing lip scrub, something drew me to it. Oh, it acts like it's got a metal seal because it's got a pointy. You guys tell that? But it's really just a peel-off seal. And did I tell you that December was time to shine? Let's flash back on that for a second. Time to shine. It smells so good. Let's put just a skosh on the back of my hand. It's thick, I can't squeeze it out. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. I have to do it like this first because... Okay. Oh, now it won't stop. Oh no. Okay, I squeezed it back out. I got way more than I intended to get. That's what it looks like. So it melts down into almost an oil. Oh yeah, and it's got the sugar scrub in it. Back of my hand's gonna feel and smell fantastic. That is what it looks like once you get it squished out. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, I love that. And Seraphine Cosmetics is one of the clean cosmetics lines. That's true, right? I hate when they make me second guess myself. Yes, Seraphine Botanicals, PETA certified, vegan, cruelty-free, no parabens, with rosehip oil, apricot, jojoba oils, and shea butter. I just want to keep doing this to the back of my hand and then smelling it. This scent, they could make every lippy I ever use for the rest of my life smell like this. It smells fantastic. It's lemon, but it's not like the obnoxious tart lemon. It's like a sweet, oh, this would be a good candle. It's like a sweet lemon. Love it. Hate I have to wipe it off. It also took off that concealer for me. It is super, super cute and pretty in there. And that is my December Ipsy Plus. It is $28 now. It used to be $25, but they raised the price $3. Totally worth it. I don't have pricing on it up here with me now, so I have let you know. And here is my total value. But I bet most of those products on their own are really close to the $28. The Kate Somerville knocks it out of the park, I'm sure. The Elemis, maybe not the nail polishes, but totally my $28 worth. Plus, I really like the bag this month. Let me know, did you guys get this? What did you choose? Oh my goodness. The back of my hand where I just did that feels amazing. Oh, I wish I could do my whole body in it. It smells so good. Look at focus, Kathrin. Thanks for coming by. I hope you are having a great day. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I would appreciate if you would consider subscribing. There's the little button there that just says subscribe. And I will see you again really soon, I hope. Bye, guys.